will tell you what you want to hear. You want me read
Maybe the old way.
the old way?
Yep.
Nan will tell you what you want to hear, Sparrow. But in the end, they will leave you with nothing.
Do the next ones. Great. Do it again, or do the next part.
Next part, okay? You survived the river of sand. Impressive. And you, cleric, so far from home. I can assure your safe return. Just bring the weapon forward.
What do you think is the difference? Is there a difference?
Yes, there are big difference there, but I don't know how to explain them. But you know, if I concentrate my tone to be the right position, I can make my pronunciation to be accurate, you know.